Top 10 luxury gadgets you need to see in 2024. From augmented reality to air-purifying headphones, we're diving into the most innovative and sought-after tech this year. We've got foldable phones pushing boundaries, drones capturing cinematic masterpieces, and headphones that transport you to another dimension with their audio quality. Stay tuned to find out which of these gadgets is worth your investment. Alright, let's kick things off with a bang. Apple's Vision Pro. This isn't just another headset, it's a whole new way to experience, well, reality. We're talking augmented reality layered seamlessly onto your world, plus immersive virtual reality experiences that'll blow you away. The tech packed into this thing is next level. We're talking high-resolution displays, advanced spatial audio, and a user interface that's unlike anything we've seen before. You control it with your eyes and hands. How cool is that? The Vision Pro is definitely a premium piece of tech, and it comes with a premium price tag. For early adopters and tech enthusiasts who want to be at the forefront of AR and VR, this is the one to watch. Dyson, the company known for its innovative vacuums and air purifiers, has stepped into the audio game with a unique twist. Introducing the Dyson Zone noise-canceling headphones with a built-in air purifier. These headphones create a pocket of clean air around your nose and mouth, blocking out pollutants and allergens while you're on the go. The Zone headphones boast advanced noise cancellation and powerful drivers for a premium listening experience. The design is definitely eye-catching with a futuristic visor-like element housing the air purifier. Combining two high-end gadgets into one comes at a price, but if you value clean air and top-notch audio, they might just be worth it. We'll have to get our hands on a pair to test out the air purification and audio quality ourselves. Calling all filmmakers and content creators, the Sony AirPeak S1 is here to elevate your aerial footage to professional levels. This drone means business, packing some serious tech under the hood. We're talking about a super stable gimbal that keeps your shots buttery smooth even in challenging conditions. Plus, it's got obstacle avoidance sensors to prevent any unwanted collisions. The AirPeak S1 can capture stunning 4K footage with incredible detail and dynamic range. It's compatible with a range of Sony cameras, giving you flexibility and control over your shots. Now, this drone isn't exactly pocket-sized. It's designed for professional use, and that's reflected in its price point. But if you're serious about aerial cinematography, the Sony AirPeak S1 is a powerful tool that can take your work to the next level. Chapter 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. The future is foldable. Remember when foldable phones seemed like a distant dream? They were the stuff of science fiction, something we only saw in movies. Well, Samsung's made that dream a reality with the Galaxy Z Fold 5. It's a groundbreaking device that redefines what a smartphone can be. This isn't just a phone, it's a tablet that fits in your pocket. Imagine carrying a full-size tablet in a device that folds down to the size of a regular phone. The Fold 5 boasts a stunning, nearly creaseless display that unfolds to reveal a spacious tablet-like experience. The screen quality is top-notch, offering vibrant colors and sharp details. It's perfect for multitasking, gaming, or just enjoying content on a larger screen. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or working on the go, this device has you covered. Samsung's really refined the software to take advantage of that foldable design. The user interface is smooth and intuitive, making it easy to switch between tasks. You can run multiple apps side by side, drag and drop content between them, and even use the Fold 5 as a mini laptop with Samsung DeX. It's like having a portable workstation in your pocket. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 sits at the higher end of the smartphone market. But if you're looking for a device that pushes the boundaries of what a phone can be, the Fold 5 is definitely worth checking out. It's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. Chapter 5. Oura Ring Gen 3, your health at your fingertip. For those serious about tracking health and fitness, the Oura Ring Gen 3 is a game changer. This sleek and stylish ring packs a ton of sensors to monitor your sleep, activity, and overall well-being. Unlike bulky fitness trackers, the Oura Ring is discreet and comfortable to wear 24/7. It tracks your heart rate variability, sleep stages, temperature, and more, giving you personalized insights into your body's rhythms. The companion app provides detailed data visualizations and personalized recommendations to optimize your sleep, recovery, and activity levels. It's like having a personal health coach on your finger. Chapter 6. Tesla Cybertruck, the future of trucks. Okay, let's talk about the Tesla Cybertruck. This isn't just a truck, it's a statement. Its futuristic, angular design looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, and it's sparked both excitement and controversy. The Cybertruck boasts Tesla's signature electric powertrain, promising blistering acceleration and a long range. And with its ultra-durable exoskeleton and armored glass, Tesla claims it's built to withstand even the toughest conditions. The Cybertruck has faced its fair share of production delays, but Tesla says it's on track to start delivery soon. If it can live up to the hype, the Cybertruck has the potential to revolutionize the truck market. Chapter 7, Bang & Olufsen Biosound Theater. Hear the difference. If you're serious about sound quality and want a home theater setup that's as stylish as it is powerful, look no further than the Bang & Olufsen Biosound Theater. This soundbar is in a league of its own. We're talking about a symphony of speakers meticulously crafted to deliver an immersive audio experience. The Biosound Theater boasts Dolby Atmos support, creating a three-dimensional soundstage that surrounds you. B&O is known for its minimalist yet luxurious aesthetic, and the Biosound Theater is no exception. It's a statement piece that elevates any living space. If you're an audiophile or simply demand the best for your home theater, the Biosound Theater is an investment that will transform your listening experience. Chapter 8, Sony WH-1000 XM5. Silence the world, embrace the sound. When it comes to noise-canceling headphones, the Sony WH-1000 XM5S are practically royalty. These headphones have consistently topped best of lists, and for good reason. The noise cancellation is nothing short of exceptional. Sony's industry-leading technology effectively silences the world around you, allowing you to focus on your music, podcasts, or simply enjoy some peace and quiet. But it's not just about blocking out noise. The XM5S delivers stunning sound quality. With rich, detailed audio and powerful bass, these headphones bring your music to life. The WH-1000 XM5S are a premium pair of headphones, but their exceptional noise cancellation, sound quality, and comfort make them worth every penny for serious music lovers and frequent travelers. Chapter 9, Asus ROG Flow Z13, the gaming powerhouse that's also a tablet. Gamers, this one's for you. Get ready to experience gaming like never before. The Asus ROG Flow Z13 is a beast of a machine that defies expectations. It's designed to deliver top-notch performance. It's a powerful gaming laptop that seamlessly transforms into a tablet, giving you the best of both worlds. Whether you need a laptop for work or a tablet for play, it has you covered. Under the hood, the Flow Z13 packs the latest Intel processors and NVIDIA graphics, making it capable of running demanding AAA games smoothly. This ensures you get the best performance possible, and with its high refresh rate display, you'll experience every frame in all its glory. The visuals are crisp, clear, and incredibly immersive. Detach the screen, and the Flow Z13 transforms into a portable gaming tablet. This feature adds a new level of convenience and flexibility. You can connect it to an external GPU for even more graphical power, or use it with a controller for a console-like experience. This makes it adaptable to your gaming needs. The versatility of the Flow Z13 is unmatched. It adapts to any situation, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go. It's perfect for students, professionals, and of course gamers who want a device that can keep up with their on-the-go lifestyle. No matter where you are, the Flow Z13 is ready to perform. Chapter 10, DJI Osmo Action 4. Capture the action, unleash your creativity. Content creators, listen up. This is the moment you've been waiting for. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is here to take your videos to the next level, offering unparalleled quality and versatility. This action camera is packed with features that make it perfect for capturing stunning footage, no matter the adventure. From extreme sports to casual outings, it has you covered. We're talking about crisp 4K video recording at high frame rates, allowing you to capture every detail and slow down the action for cinematic effect. Imagine the possibilities, and with its advanced stabilization technology, your footage will be buttery smooth, even if you're mountain biking down a rugged trail or chasing after your dog in the park. No more shaky videos. The Osmo Action 4 is also built tough, with waterproofing and dust resistance to handle whatever you throw at it. Rain or shine, dust or mud, it's ready for action. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or just starting your vlogging journey, this camera adapts to your needs and grows with your skills. The Osmo Action 4 is a powerful tool that can help you capture and share your adventures with the world. So go ahead, unleash your creativity and let your stories be told. From augmented reality to electric trucks, these gadgets are redefining luxury and tech. Which one caught your eye? The future is looking pretty exciting, and we can't wait to see what innovations come next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Comment below on which gadget you want to see next. We love hearing from you guys. Next week, we'll be diving into the latest in smart home technology.